Paddy's Michael, I reckon I can beat you within a couple of shots. I reckon I can beat you within 6 or 7 shots. If you can prove me wrong, let's go for it. Let's go for it, you fat boy bastard. Yeah. I swear my father, my mother, I'm still young as a kitten, I am. Young as a kitten. And I swear my father, my mother, a little boy like you, that I'm watching all my life in shitty navvies, and the same as your brother Patrick, and the same as your brother Christy, the whole lot of ye is nothing but soft. And I'll fight any one of you, Christy, Patrick, or you, one. Let's go for gold. Let's go for gold and see who's what. John McDonagh, put fair play man in front of me, and I'll knock the whole fucking lot of you out. And that's the Michael Joyce. That's the Paddy Sir Michael Joyce. That's the Christy Joyce belong to Paddy, and that's Patrick belong to Paddy. I'll beat any one of ye. Any one of ye that want a few clouts. John McDonagh will knock you straight out. Bring it on, 2019.